Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting immediately. Make sure you know the screen time passcode or the Apple ID that can reset it because you'll be asked. Once your iPhone is unlocked and online, open Settings and tap Screen Time. You're not setting anything up now, you're locating controls. Look for the screen time summary near the top. If the feature shows a child or another user, make sure you're in the right profile. Otherwise, proceed into screen time to adjust limits. Now you'll remove specific blocks. Tap App Limits and swipe or tap each limit, then choose Delete Limit to remove it. This restores full access for those apps. Next, open Always Allowed to add any apps you want available during downtime. Make sure downtime is either off or set to allow your required hours. If content and privacy restrictions are active, review them because they can imitate a time limit by blocking app installs or changes. These steps clear most partial blocks. Finish by turning off screen time entirely. Scroll down and tap Turn off screen time. You'll be prompted to enter the screen time passcode. If prompted for your Apple ID to confirm, enter it to disable enforcement. Once off, app limits, downtime, and reports stop immediately. Make sure to check that changes applied by reopening screen time. If something goes wrong and you can't remember the passcode, try reset using your Apple ID or as a last resort. Back up and restore the iPhone to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.